Here are today's top tech stories. The Indonesian-based fintech firm Julo just announced hitting a really big milestone. Woohoo! Their operating profit break-even in December 2023. And along with this, the online leading platform also saw its revenue grow 73% for the 2023 fiscal financial year. This is slightly surprising because the company actually did post a significant loss in 2022 that was driven largely by expanding bad debts as well as operating costs. Commerce with a K is an Indonesian startup that provides end-to-end e-commerce solutions for SMEs. They just raised some money, but they haven't disclosed what the amount is just yet. In particular, they offer services for remote e-commerce teams to help SMEs sell online. And Reddit just filed for a really long-awaited IPO, potentially kicking off a wave of tech IPOs in 2024. And while its revenue grew to over around $800 million in 2023, Reddit actually remains unprofitable. However, it did post a rare net profit in Q4 of 2023. What's interesting about this IPO is that Reddit actually plans to reserve shares for 75,000 users at the IPO price before public trading begins. And the company also just recently struck a $60 million deal with Google to provide new revenue streams from AI models. If Reddit prices well and trades really strongly, it's definitely going to encourage other late-stage private tech firms to pursue IPOs as well. So it's going to benefit venture investors seeking liquidity after years and years of waiting. Let's take a guess at what OpenAI's valuation is. I don't know what you guessed, but it's actually $80 billion. And just last year, the OpenAI valuation was actually at $29 billion after a very similar tender process. So that's a really crazy jump. The explosive growth has definitely been driven by releases like conversational ChatGPT, and it's supercharged their revenue. Speaking of AI, Moonshot AI is a Chinese artificial intelligence startup that is actually less than a year old, and they just also raised over $1 billion in fresh funding. So now this company is valued at $2.5 billion. Peak 15 has a Spark Fellowship program that supports women-led startups. We're here for it. And it's now chosen over 15 companies and 16 female founders for its third cohort. They get $100,000 equity-free grant, expert mentorship, community access, and over $1 million in resources. Woo. And as usual, we have some really fantastic guest posts up on our website for you to go check out. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also give us a follow on our TikTok so that we can keep bringing you the latest tech news.